Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious bathroom fixtures with a spotlight on what we consider to be the best acrylic bathtub available. The Swiss Madison well-made forever SM-AB563 Voltaire acrylic bathtub. Now, when it comes to upgrading your bathroom, choosing the right bathtub is essential. You want something that not only looks stunning but also delivers in terms of durability, comfort, and functionality. And that's where the Voltaire acrylic bathtub truly shines. Let's start with the design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this bathtub boasts a modern and minimalist aesthetic that effortlessly elevates any bathroom setting. Its glossy white finish exudes elegance, while the sleek lines and rectangular shape add a touch of contemporary flair. But beauty is not the only thing this bathtub has to offer. It's also engineered for performance and convenience. With dimensions of 54 inches in length, 30 inches in width, and 22.5 inches in height, it provides ample space for a comfortable bathing experience. Speaking of comfort, the Voltaire bathtub features an integral right-hand drain, strategically positioned for easy access. This thoughtful design ensures a seamless flow of water during your bath, enhancing your relaxation. Now, let's talk about durability. Constructed from high-quality acrylic material, this bathtub is built to last. Unlike traditional porcelain or steel tubs, acrylic is lightweight yet incredibly strong, making it resistant to chipping, cracking, and fading over time. Another standout feature is the ease of installation. Thanks to its alcove design and three-sided integral tile flange, this bathtub can be seamlessly integrated into your bathroom space with minimal hassle. Plus, cleaning is a breeze, thanks to its non-porous surface that repels dirt and grime. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what customers have to say about the Voltaire acrylic bathtub. Many users praise its quality, depth, and ease of installation, with some even calling it the perfect solution for their bathroom remodels. However, it's worth noting that a few customers have reported durability issues, so keep that in mind. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line acrylic bathtub that combines style, comfort, and durability, look no further than the Swiss Madison well-made, forever SM-AB563 Voltaire acrylic bathtub. It's a true game-changer for any bathroom upgrade. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this one. Until next time, happy bathing!